Okay, we're here at the seaport. We just dropped Daphne off at her facial, and we're headed off to a restaurant called Tayaki. What do they serve at Tayaki?
They serve ice cream and it's in like fish cones.
Nice. Ice cream and fish cones. Can't get any better than that. The seaport's awesome. It used to be the mudlots when I used to work here in the 90s, but now it's all really well developed. And we're here on Sundays. We get free parking. We drove around for a couple minutes. The parking was not free. We tried to find free parking, but we couldn't find any. Just our luck. A little close
like,
up.
It has like a fish cone, and that's filled with like custard, and it's chocolate ice cream.
How does it taste?
Tastes good. I think you should try it.
We'll call it a trip to Tayaki.
Good idea.
Smile, honey. Go like this. It's delicious. Thank God it's the winter right now. It's not melting. I have now reached the ice cream sandwich stage. It's really a fish. Okay, we found this area where they got some stores here. So there's a lot of stores, a lot of retail, restaurants, shopping areas. We got a ski lift over here. Okay, we found a Lucid store and we're just checking out the Tesla. I mean, not the Tesla. We're checking out the Lucid Air. Pretty cool. There's a center screen here, and then there's this curved screen. Like a heads-up display. Much farther than that.
You didn't even go that far.
Okay, my turn.